Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis of AUD USD and Euro AUD. These are the two pairs currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade one by one, first let's look at bigger picture starting with AUD USD. Looking at the monthly time frame, as this monthly candle is nearing to close in just one day later, we will see this candle is closing. We can see that this market is now starting to drop. Now if you firstly look at the overall market structure on AUD USD, we can see that this is a long term historically bearish market. From this resistance zone there is an impulse and the price has gone to the same level, and we saw that every time the price is reaching that level, giving a potential rejection, followed by this current monthly candle. We can see that AUD USD has crossed back to back 2 months high and grabbed a huge amount of liquidity and then has broken towards the downside. Now with that breakdown we see that AUD USD currently reaching another important liquidity zone. As you can see, there is a doji here, very important liquidity zone, which is also turning support here, and we can expect AUD USD to come back down and to test this level. As we see the price grab liquidity from the top, we can expect the price to continue to drop. Now if we look at the weekly price action on AUD USD, we can see that from the weekly perspective there is also a rejection. With this impulse the price has consolidated along this zone, and then the price grabbed liquidity multiple times from the weekly perspective, and we saw that there is a drop followed by a doji, and we have seen another bearish candle back to back, quite a few strong rejection from the top on AUD USD, giving a possible for further drop. Now we see that with this weekly price action the price has formed a head and shoulder breakdown from the head and shoulder, and also you saw that so far this week the price has done multiple time retest of this important previous support here, turning resistance, and we see that AUD USD currently rejecting from the resistance zone from weekly perspective. Now if we look at the daily, what do you see that from the daily price section the price in fact grabbed multiple times liquidity from this resistance zone. In the past we saw that there was a long consolidation in that area, and the price has broken down again from the daily, creating a typical downtrending market structure. Now we saw that this is a daily impulse, the price has broken this level, corrected to this previous support level here as a resistance. Now today's candle, we see that today's daily candle, after crossing back to back two dailies high, the price now dropping down, means that we can expect further drop. As news is coming later today, we might find that AUD USD giving a strong movement towards the downside. So to trade on the lower time frame, let's see how the price is doing. Now this is the intraday time frame. We can see that AUD USD has formed a smooth bearish price action. Now you can see this is a resistance line, the price grabbed liquidity multiple times, and with this doji AUD USD in fact now breaking down, as we see that multi-time frame analysis showing potential bearish. With this lower time frame AUD USD currently creating a strong drop after grabbing multiple liquidity. Any kind of pullback towards the upside will give us an entry opportunity for this potential drop. As soon as we will find entry, we will consider going short on AUD USD with a high probability trade setup. Now let's look at Euro AUD. Now again looking at bigger picture monthly. Now if we look at the monthly time frame on Euro AUD, we can see that this is also a long term bullish market. Starting with this monthly impulse, Euro AUD has broken all this recent monthly level of resistance. This current monthly candle, after this impulse we have seen the price has come down for a deeper pullback, and at the end of the month we see the price again rejecting towards the upside. If we take our Fibonacci for this monthly impulse from low to the high, we can see that Euro AUD has come to this zone where 38.2% to 50% Fibonacci level, and the price is rejecting again towards the upside. with that rejection, what we can expect on euro AUD to continue to rise in that direction. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that euro AUD also showing typical bullish market structure with this inverted head and shoulder. Euro AUD has broken to the upside, tested the neckline of this important previous support, previous resistance here, which is turning support here, and with that resistance turn support, we saw that euro AUD has again rejected from this level, continuing a new uptrend after this reversal, and we saw that back to back quite a few weeks euro AUD bulls grab liquidity, and finally we have seen with this doji again the price has started its new move to the upside. Now after the previous weekly bullish candle that has a healthy body long wick at the top, highly likely that now the price will go ahead and fill that long wick, as we see the price already tested this neckline of this reversal here as a support and now rejecting. Now if we look at the daily on euro AUD, we can see that from the daily perspective euro AUD is showing potential bullish trading opportunity along the zone according to our TF strategy. Now if we look at the overall picture, we see that on the daily the price has created also typical reversal pattern here. Consolidation has broken out of that consolidation completely to the upside, leaving a neckline of this previous resistance here as a support, and we see that euro AUD now moving towards the upside. From the further lower time frame, we can see that euro AUD has formed also an inverted head and shoulder breakout. We can expect now slowly euro AUD to move to the upside to continue its long-term uptrend. So what I think that upon closing of this candle, we can expect a little bit of pullback towards the downside. Once you see the prices coming down for a pullback for a retest of this neckline on the lower time frame, we will consider going long on the euro AUD. And what I think that euro AUD, at least we can expect initially the price to retest this resistance line here as a resistance. This will give us a high risk to reward ratio trade. So as soon as we will find suitable entry, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.